Tapos ang lugar na
Good morning. It's Saturday, 31st of August, 2024. We're on our way to have coffee. Coffee kami today because it's second day of our day off. Pupunta kami ng Fremantle. Ano nga ulit anong cafe yun?
Collis.
Yeah, Collis Tea Shop. Oops. Kakanan tayo dito dapat, kaya lang stop na. Yep, that's way going to Fremantle Hospital. Diretso lang. May mga old buildings pa dito.
At the next traffic lights.
Yan yung Fremantle Market, diba? Pwede naman tayo mag-park muna. May parking doon, no?
Meron yan dito.
Sige, hanap pa tayo doon banda. Ang ganda. Part ng Fremantle Markets to eh.